Air Force Reserve officer, so beyond his achievement in business and public service, he is also known for his involvement in various initiatives that contributes to development and empowerment of Filipinos. Let us all welcome Brigadier General Mikey Lagman Romero.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. And good afternoon, Chair, our favorite Chairman George Garcia. It's both an honor and privilege to be sitting beside two of the brightest people in the Philippines. Of course, Engineer Grace and our Chairman, probably the most brilliant of all brilliant legal minds in the Philippines. So, I would like to also acknowledge the presence of our, we formed an association of reservists and reservist administrators. Nandito po ang dalawang board of trustees natin. Ang presidente namin si Vladimir Mata and si Colonel Yai Lacson Hizon and si Commodore Captain Edwin Galvez. During the day, we are work like you. We have a day job. But in the evening or maybe weekends, we are weekend warriors. We go all over the Philippines to para makatulong sa ating mga kababayan. And sila kasama ko. Si Vlad is sa Senate po siya nagtatrabaho as commission on appointments. And si Yai naman is a practicing lawyer. And, so you will see that we are all, we have our work during the day. Ang masasabi ko lang ho, thank you for this platform. This platform of Top News Asia, as well as all the rest of the magazines related to Grace Ponda. Talagang features, sabi ko nga sa kanina interview, features a lot of stories, a lot of learnings. Yung iba yung storya ko sa storya ni George, iba yung storya namin ni George sa storya ng mga celebrities, or even just ordinary people. This type of magazines are what you call feel good. Ito talaga yung nakaka-inspire. I don't know if my life inspires, but nevertheless, the others maybe. It depends on really kung anong gusto nyo. But I think this is the right platform and it's a feel good. Nakakasawa na magbasa ng news ngayon na puro politiko. I know because I came from that field. This is my fourth industry. I was in business before, or even up to now. And then tumalon po ako sa sports, and then tumalon po ako sa pagiging congressman for 9 years. And I found a new calling, which is itong military service. And we've been, yung grupo namin, we've been from the topmost part of the Philippines, which is Batanes, pero may mas malayo pa sa Batanes, yung Mabulis, hindi pa napupuntahan ng tao, ng ordinary people, just military. Ito yung 60 kilometers away from Taiwan. So this is Mabulis Island, nandun po yung flag natin, Philippine flag na nilagay ng Marines to state that itong kauna-unahan nating island. And then on the same week, nagpunta kami sa dulo ng Pilipinas, dito naman sa Tawi-Tawi. May dulo dito called Turtle Island o yung Taganak. Turtle Island kasi pwede ka magpakawala ng mga turtles dito. Napakaganda. Ito yung kasama ko, si Attorney Ay at saka si Colonel Vlad, nag-swimming pa doon. It is now 12 kilometers away from Sabah, Malaysia. So, kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ng Pilipinas. No? Because we've gone through almost, wala na kami pinaligtas. And I hope that some of you will also join the reservist. Yun lang naman ang sa akin. So anyway, I want to again give thanks for this opportunity to talk again with you guys and to talk about anything under the sun na kaya namin sagutin. But I'm sure si Chairman George has mas marami at juicy sagot kaysa sa akin. But again, good afternoon to everybody. Magandang hapon po.